Hey guys, and welcome back to Robo CAD. In this 3D CAD modeling tutorial, I will explain you how to model this shaft for the gearbox. So let's begin. So I'm gonna click on File, click on New, select the part file, and then click on OK. And I'm gonna change the background to plain white because I like working in the plain white background, and you verify that you're working in MMGS as units, right? So I'm gonna create a sketch on the front plane. So I will select a circle and I'll create a circle at this origin like this. Okay, so if there is another circle like this, you can press the escape button. Then select the smart dimensioning tool, and here I'm gonna specify the diameter for this circle as 60 millimeter. Then I have to extrude it, so I will go to features and I will select extruded boss base, and here I will specify the depth of extrusion as 200 millimeter. So you can specify it from here, 200 millimeter, right? And after that you can check this box from here. Okay, so I'm gonna change the appearance. So you have to go into the appearance for that. This is, by the way, as an optional step. You can skip if you want. So in metal, I would like to select this polished steel, right? So then I'm gonna select this right plane, which basically cut this shaft in half like this. Right click here and click on sketch. So I'm gonna sketch on it. For that, I'm gonna select here a center line. From this center point to this center point of the shaft, I'm gonna make a center line. Press escape button then, and after that I'm gonna select here a center rectangle, right? So create a center rectangle here, press escape button. Right, now let's specify the dimensions. So the length of this line is 98 millimeters, right? So okay, press escape button now, and you can drag this rectangle here from pick this from the center and drag it a little bit on the left side. All right, so select smart dimensioning tool, and from the length of this line is 15 millimeter, and from this point to this point here specify the distance as 23 millimeters. Okay, so the sketch has been completed. Now go to features, select extruded boss base, and here although you can flip the direction, it's up to you. You can flip this to any direction, and here specify the length of extrusion as 60 millimeter and check the box. Okay, so right. Okay, now you can select this surface or you can select this surface. It's up to you. And I'm gonna select this surface and click on sketch. I'm gonna create here a corner rectangle. Sorry, center rectangle has been selected. So I'm gonna select a corner rectangle and create a corner rectangle here because I want to shorten the length of this keyway. So I'm gonna specify here 25.1 millimeters. So I will go to features, select extrude cut, and I'll cut it here using the through all in direction and check the box. Alright, so the correct dimensions are now have been specified. Okay, so now what I will do, I'm gonna select the right plane, click on normal to. So we have this shortened area and this elongated larger area. So right click here and click on sketch on the right plane. So I will create the sketch on the larger area side. So you can create a sketch using the line or using the corner rectangle. So I'm gonna create the sketch using the corner rectangle. So create a corner rectangle here, and then select smart dimensioning tool, and here specify the length between these two lines as 23, or you can say specifying the distance as 23. The length of this line is 7, and finally the length of this line is 52 millimeters. So specify this thing, and since I'm gonna be using the revolve cut, right? So for using the revolve cut, I use this center line. Make sure that this is horizontal. So select this line and make relation horizontal, right? Go to features and select here revolve cut. Okay, So in this axis window, I'm gonna select this central line. So it's gonna cut with respect to this reference. Okay, so let me show you how it's gonna get created. Check the box, and this is the revolve cut that I wanted to create. Now we are left with one more extruded boss, but before that I'm gonna specify here some fillets. So select these two corners here, specify the radius of the fillet as 2 millimeter, and check the box. Okay, now let's do the final thing, and that is select this surface and click on sketch, and I will select here convert entities, go to features, select extruded boss base, and here specify the length of extrusion as 150 millimeter and check the box. And now the shaft has been created for the gearbox, right? So the most important thing for now is to save this file. So for that I will go to file, click on save as, and I will create here a folder for the part files because there will be a number of parts for the gearbox. So I'll save it here as shaft_1. So that's all for this video guys. See you in the next video.